आज हम घूमने जा रहे हैं मकाओ, जिस पे 400 साल तक पोर्तुगीज़ ने राज किया एंड इन 1999 इट हैज़ ट्रांसफर टू चाइना. इट इज़ 12 स्क्वायर माइल्स इन एरिया एंड 7 लाख पॉपुलेशन. ये देश 1 घंटे की दूरी पे है हांगकांग से एंड इफ़ यू हैव हांगकांग वीज़ा देन यू हैव free visa for Macau. Language spoken in Macau are Portuguese and Chinese. The currency of the Macau is Macanese Pataka, which is equivalent to Hong Kong dollar. If you are traveling to Hong Kong, then Macau तो जाना बनता ही है. यहाँ की ज़िंदगी कसिनो से शुरू होती है और गैमलिंग पे ख़त्म हो जाती है. There are many ways to reach to Macau from Hong Kong. First one is taxi, but it will cost you more. Second is by bus at cost $65 from HZMB port, which is near to airport. And third is via red color turbojet, which arrives at Macau Outer Harbour Ferry Terminal, and blue color Kotai water jet arrives at Macau Taipa Ferry Terminal, which are about 10 minutes apart. So here you can see the right part is the Hong Kong, and if you're coming from Hong Kong to Macau via ferry, if you have taken blue ferry which is called as Taipa, Kotai Taipa, you will reach the south part of the Macau, and if you have taken red ferry you will reach the north part of the Macau, which is outer harbor. And basically the south part of the Macau, which has mostly casinos, all the casinos, shopping complex, everything you will see here in the southern part. And if you go to the northern part you will see all the historical monuments, Portuguese colonies, and old monuments like ruin of South Pole, which is very famous, you will see on the north part of the Macau. To book a ferry ticket you have to open klook.com and you have to type here Kotai, and you can see Hong Kong and Macau ferry, and for one person it's $130, and if you book this ticket from counter it will cost you $180, so directly you can say 500 Indian rupees. And to redeem this, every steps are written here. You have to go to Bang Sang Travel, and from there you have to exchange the tickets. You have to show the barcode to those peoples and they will provide you the ticket. Let me show you how I have done it. शुम टाक सेंटर जा रहे हैं, वहाँ से हम फेरी की टिकट बाय करेंगे और फ्रॉम मकाऊ टू हांगकांग, और हम जाएंगे वाया बस. तो रिडीम्शन एवरीथिंग यहीं पे ही होता है शुम टाक सेंटर में. सो फाइनली मैं शुम टाक सेंटर पहुँच चुका हूँ. यहाँ पहुँचने के लिए मैंने जॉर्डन से मेट्रो पकड़ी थी जहाँ पे मेरा हॉस्टल है. You can go from Hong Kong to Macau by helicopter, and ticket counter is in Shung Tak Center only. Basically it's kind of mall. Now I have to find Bang Sang travel counter. Ferry ticket counter is open from 9 AM to 1 AM. You can go to Macau directly from here, but I want to go by bus and come back via ferry. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ब्लू कलर कोटाई फेरी यहाँ पे खड़ी है, और आगे जाके मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ रेड कलर फेरी भी होगी, और ये एवरी 1 और ड्यूरेशन पे अवेलेबल है फ्रॉम हांगकांग टू मकाऊ. ऑन कोटाई वाटर जेट काउंटर यू हैव टू शो बार कोड जनरेटेड फ्रॉम क्लूक ऐप. नाउ वी हैव द वाचर 5 tickets, and from here we have to redeem the ticket. This is a place. 5 people we are. ओपन करना, ओपन तो करो, टाइम देखना जरूर है. तो 20 minutes before you have to reach. I have taken the ticket, और ये हमारी 5 टिकट हैं और 11 बजे की हमने टिकट ली है वापस आने की. सो एट 11 o'clock we are coming from Macau to Hong Kong via ferry, so we have to reach 20 minutes before. तो अब मुझे शिवगांव मेट्रो स्टेशन से सेंट्रल जाना है। सेंट्रल से मैं जाऊंगा जॉर्डन, जहाँ पे मेरे फ्रेंड्स मेरा वेट कर रहे हैं, और वहाँ से हम जाएंगे बस पकड़ के HKZM पोर्ट। A22 is the bus number and it's opposite to Jordan Metro Station. There is a bus stop to go Hong Kong port of HKZM bridge. So A22 bus will go from Jordan to HZMB via airport.
I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So 1 घंटे की बस जर्नी करने के बाद मैं पहुंच चुका हूं हांगकांग मकाओ पोर्ट, और ये बस 2 किलोमीटर एयरपोर्ट से दूर है। So now we are filling a form which has basic information for Macau immigration, and सामने ही immigration center है, आप देख सकते हैं। For Indians, if you have Hong Kong visa, then visa for Macau is free for 30 days and passport is mandatory. With the help of Octopus card, lady is helping us to take shuttle bus ticket, and price is $65 per person. Now we are going to Macau. आ जाओ guys. This is a bus route from HKZM bridge to Macau. This whole journey will take 1 hour. This is the cheapest way to get from Hong Kong to Macau.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.
The 55-kilometer Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau bridge is the longest sea crossing in the world and an engineering masterpiece. It is expected to become a tourist attraction in the region and beyond. It takes 9 years to complete Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau bridge. इसलिए मैंने बस से जाने का प्लान किया था मकाओ, जिससे मैं ऑसम ब्रिज को भी देख पाऊँ और बस राइड को भी एंजॉय कर पाऊँ। We have already reached late to Macau. Now need to roam whole Macau in a single day, so we thought to hire a car, and it cost us 300 Hong Kong dollar. If you have sufficient time to travel, then the best way to travel various destinations is by hotel buses. When you exit the terminal, you can see lot of buses are parked there. Hotel buses are free of cost and they run frequently. Travelers can use them even they are not planning to go to the hotel. Hotel buses may stop at various places along the way. अभी मैं नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ मकाओ में हूँ, जहाँ पे मोस्टली पोर्तुगीज़ कॉलोनी और हिस्टोरिकल मोनूमेंट्स अवेलेबल हैं। तो मेरा ये प्लान है कि मैं जितना हो सके टिल 5 to 6 PM तक मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्लेसेस कवर कर पाऊँ और रात को मैं कसिनो को एंजॉय कर पाऊँ। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सिनेडो स्क्वायर. It has built in 1784 and it's a delightful pedestrian area where you're likely to start your Macau trip. After Senator Square, we need to walk 600 meters to see ruins of St. Paul. मकाओ है पोर्तुगीज़ कॉलोनी। यहाँ जितने भी बिल्डिंग हैं, यहाँ पे आपको एक पोर्तुगीज़ फीलिंग आएगी, क्योंकि करीब 400 साल तक पोर्तुगीज़ ने मकाओ पे राज किया था। इसलिए जो भी नॉर्थ मकाओ है, ये पूरा पोर्तुगीज़ स्टाइल में ही है। St. Paul Cathedral is the finest Christian building in the Far East. It's famous landmark of Macau. After destruction of the first church by fire in 1601, the new one was completed in 1637 and built in Roman style. The church was destroyed by a typhoon and fire in 1835. इस ब्यूटीफुल चर्च के सामने फूड स्ट्रीट है, जहाँ पे कुछ लोकल चाइनीज़ फूड मिलेंगे। So let's try some Chinese food now.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see.
Fish balls. फिश बॉल से ना फिश बॉल
We don't have a beef in here, only fish balls.
Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
सो सेंट पॉल और स्ट्रीट फूड देखने के बाद हमने सोचा कि हमें जाना चाहिए टेम्पल विजिट। और ये इट्स अ वेरी फेमस टेम्पल इन मकाओ एंड इट्स लोकेटेड इन नॉर्थ पार्ट ऑफ मकाओ पेनिनसुला. इट हैज़ कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन 1488. It's a Chinese sea goddess temple. The name Macau was derived from the name of the temple. It's a tower convention plus entertainment center, also known as Macau Tower. Macau Tower measures 338 meters in height from the ground level to the highest point. It has observation deck, view, restaurant, theater, shopping mall, and skywalk. Walking trail is also present here with the outer rim. Tower was designed by New Zealand Engineering. Construction work of the tower started in 1998 and tower was officially opened in December 19th, 2001.
We had an amazing experience with Macau Tower.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you.
अब हम जाएंगे कसिनो देखने ना, सारे साउथ कसिनोस। ये ना हमारे ड्राइवर भैया जी। क्या बिल्डिंग है? और ये है मकाउ टावर। You can see Macau Tower.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit.
So we have reached to south of Macau. तो यहाँ पे ओनली कसिनो का हब है और we can see.
That my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
People comes to see gambling and it's very popular here. Compared to Las Vegas, gambling in casino in Macau have generated 7 times. यहाँ पे इतने बड़े बड़े कसिनो हैं कि आप कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे कि आपको कौन से कसिनो में जाना है, क्योंकि हर एक कसिनो दूसरे से और अद्भुत लगता है. The interesting fact in casino is that number 4 is unlucky in China. So there is no 4th floor in any casino. There is no issue with transportation in Macau. Local bus will charge you around $3 to $4 for your any destination. All casino has their own free shuttle services from airport or ferry port to casino and vice versa. आपको बस किसी भी बस में बैठ जाना है और वहाँ से आप पूरे सिटी को, कसिनो को आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो और सब कुछ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है. स्टूडियो सिटी कसिनो वाज लुकिंग गुड फॉर अस, सो वी थॉट टू गो इनसाइड एंड प्ले गेम्स. हमारे पास समय भी काफ़ी कम था क्योंकि 11 PM हमारी ब्लू कोटाई फेरी थी जो फ्रॉम मकाउ से हांगकांग के लिए थी. टू एंटर इन एनी कसिनो, पासवर्ड इज मैंडेटरी. कसिनो विल प्रोवाइड यू वन फ्री कार्ड which will have pre-installed $10, and if you are lucky then you can make more money from $10.
ಅಲೌಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
At 10:30 p.m., we left casino by cab to catch Kotai ferry to Hong Kong. The cost of the cab in Macau is 100 rupees for every 1 kilometer.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted watching.
Late night ferry never preferred, that's why crowd was very less और इसी तरह मेरा मकाओ का सफ़र पूरा हुआ.
Still hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear I weighed the person you are.